Dance. I want to give you an update about Bitcoin, what is happening right now, and is this right now the bull run? And what will happen during the weekend, right? So let's into the charts. And right now, like I said to you yesterday, for us who are watching the Wyckoff accumulation one, wait a moment, I show you this one perfectly, everything working out because we are watching for a new higher high, right? So this is also what we see in phase B. We're watching for a new higher high after we reach the bottom, right? And now to prove that this is really, we are in a schematic one, Wyckoff. It's not a guarantee, but this is all we have to work with. We are watching for a new bottom, right? So we are watching that we will crash our previous bottom, create a new lower low, a new bottom after this pump, right? And also what I wanted to show you here, Blockworks wrote 103 million Bitcoin shorts liquidated in the last 24 hours. This is crazy, but this is usually what whales do, right? While you're sleeping, they're shitting in your ears that when you woke up you didn't hear anything. So please be very, very careful. And my short position is liquidated. It's not liquidated. No. I show you. Is calculated, right? This is a calculated risk. If I get liquidated, this is not my whole saving money. So please, I think right now, if you're not professional trader, just stay away from trading. Just watch what is happening in the market because it's very dangerous to trade right now. Even though it's dangerous, I am still in my positions, which I show you in a minute. Just let us jump into the charts and watching what is happening here right now. And we see, like some people writing, we are forming something like a bull flag, right? We could say, if we are watching on the 1 hourly, let me show you. And please watch the video until the end, guys, because if you don't watch the video until the end or just somebody tell you a summary, you don't get the right information. If we are watching right now on the 1 hourly, we could say we are forming a bull flag, right? Which is a bullish pattern, right? So if I draw the lines, something like that, it's also a symmetrical triangle, but yeah, we could say it's also a bull flag, right? Which will be measured if it's a pessimistic one from top to the bottom. The pessimistic technical price target. Please watch until the end before you do something. So technically, the price target would be, if we have here breakout 42,800 approximately, but we could measure it also from the top to the bottom, that it's even longer, right? Because on the 4 hourly it's forming like this huge bull flag. So the price tag would be even 46,390, right? But and now hear me out, guys, it's very important. This is technically price target. Right now, this technical price target, I would not be too much confident about it because I told you also when everyone was bullish where it was. Let me go on the 4 hourly and I show you here when everyone was bullish, and we saw also something like a bull flag, you see here, and then here formed a bull flag and everyone was bullish, and I say we will dump, we dumped, right? So please be here very careful. We perfectly reached my price tag, which I told you 41,500 will be our resistance line. This is what we see right now, and yes, we could see pump which I showed you right now, the technical price target of the shorter bull flag and the longer bull flag. But guys, and now hear me out, it's very important. If we are watching right now on the daily, we see this huge hidden bearish divergence, right? You see here the RSI is rising while the price, let me check. And not many people know about it because we were today on the crypto conference and really not everybody knew about this hidden bear or bull flag. And look, I show you. Be very careful. We see this also, by the way, we saw here, we see now a bearish divergence, but before we had this big pump, therefore I also knew and told you, be very careful with shorts and set your short properly that you not get liquidated, because before the pump we saw this hidden bullish divergence. Therefore, we see this huge pump. And now we see this hidden bearish divergence. I show you again. Bearish hidden divergence you measure from the top, right? And the price is going down while the RSI is rising, right? So price is going down. You see here, the price is going down. You see it's on a daily, guys. It's very dangerous. And on the RSI on the daily is rising. So this is called a hidden bearish divergence. So therefore, according to this hidden bearish divergence, according to our Wyckoff, which is according to the Wyckoff, we create a new high and then we see this huge dump which create a new lower low. According to these factors, according to that the Fed wants to raise the interest rates, I personally think, even though we see during the weekend a small, maybe another pump, yes, another pump, maybe even to, which I showed you technically, or we see the next resistance will be at 43,600, right? Because you see here big resistance, support, resistance, right? So next resistance 43,500 approximately. Even though if we see this small pump to liquidate really all the shorts, right? What the whales want to do, I think we will create a new lower low, a new bottom for Bitcoin before we see in the midterm a bullish sign, right? So please be very careful. This is my opinion. Do your own research. If you're not a professional trader, don't do any trades. You get wrecked, guys. Therefore, I'm a professional trader. I'm still in my trades, and if I lose my trades, guys, this is a calculated risk which I have. So I am in Ethereum short position 10x still. My liquidation price is 3,300. I have a volume of 15,000 approximately in Ethereum. This is on Bybit, and on Phoenix, I am, just a moment, I show you, I'm also still in my short position on Bitcoin with approximately $41,000 in contract size, and my liquidation price is right now at 43,686, right? And if we go to 42,000, I will also add to my position. I'm very transparent with you, and this is very dangerous what I'm doing, but this is a calculated risk, so please be very careful. Don't just repeat what I'm doing or anybody else doing, because I calculate for myself the risk. You have to calculate for yourself the risk. Also, I opened a new short position on Ethereum, which is approximately have a value of 24,000 in contract size and liquidation price at 3,500, right? So guys, if you are a professional trader, if you're super professional trader, you can go and claim your bonus at 8,200 for free after initial deposit. It costs you 1 minute registration. If you're not professional trader, guys, don't use leverage. Go claim your bonus 8,200 after initial deposit, 1 minute registration. It's the first pinned comment, but don't use leverage. You can just buy through spot. You know, you can use this bonus 8,200 after initial deposit. You get this 8,200 bonus, and then you can just buy through spot. So link down below, 1 minute registration. It's affiliate link, so it's a win-win situation for us both. So guys, this is an update on Bitcoin, what will happening with Bitcoin, and I can have a quick watch on Ethereum also again, and all depends on Bitcoin. What will Bitcoin do, right? So we broke this rising wedge, which should be a bearish pattern, and the price target technical is 2,200. In my opinion, it's still valid, even though we broke to the upside, and now we see the resistance is coming, which I told you exactly in the yesterday's video. You can watch it. I told you we will see between 3,050 and 3,100. If Bitcoin pump, the next resistance will be approximately 3,155, right? Also, guys, very important, I want to show you, I forgot to show you, because everybody getting now huge bullish right now, but be very careful. Now I show you exact example why you have to be careful also on the charts. Beside that Wyckoff pattern, if you don't trust in this Wyckoff, I also don't know. It's just what worked, years ago. So this is what we use. Not only because of bearish divergence, which we have on the daily, man. We have on the weekly, on the daily. Also, the Wyckoff pattern is bearish. So beside all of this, I show you something which you have really be careful, because we just have to go back in the history, not too much long ahead. We in December, end of December, man, it was only 1 month ago approximately, what we had, guys. If we are watching, and if we would see this everything, you remember we had here the bottom, and everyone, yes, we have the bottom reached, because this huge wick was the bottom, and now we go up again. And here, when we saw this pump, everybody, yes, jumped into long positions. I told you guys, wait until we break 52, 53,000 we have to break to be again bullish. And what happened? We reached exactly 52,000, and then you saw this huge dump. You see this huge dump. What happened? We go further. Look what happened, man. Look what happened. Everybody get fucking liquidated, because they thought we will go to the moon right now, right? So for me to be very bullish again, I say to you, even though, you know, all the people say, but on the daily we broke this EMA 20 and this is very bullish. Man, this is not bullish, because even though we broke this EMA 20, and if just go back on the history, man, you can do it by yourself. Look what last time happened when we started into the bear market. Look, we go down, we broke above, and then what happened? We broke again down. What happened again? This is not a really thing what you can trust. We broke above, everyone, oh yes, bullish, bam, get fucked, you know. And this happens sometimes. You can trust on it if we are like retesting it very much, very often, and then you can trust on this, but not if we just broke above. Guys, this is, you know, this unprofessional people who are writing shit like that and don't hear on the people. Even though, look, we could see the EMA ribbon if we take out. So the next resistance, like I told you, is 43,500 approximately. And we see this is also the resistance of this EMA ribbon, you know. This will be the resistance. So 43,500, I think, is the next resistance. This would, we could see even this small pump more to liquidate everybody who is in a short position. And this the next resistance, not only because we see here much resistance, also because we see at the EMA ribbon a lot of resistance. And even though if we break above the EMA ribbon, it's also not a sign of we are now bullish on the daily, right? Because if we go again back, what happened in the previous bull market, you look how many fake outs above the daily EMA ribbon. This is for me not a sign to be right now very bullish. Very bullish I will be, guys, and I'm not a Bitcoin bear. Again, I just make like a dry technical analysis for you guys, and also for me. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. I do it for me and show you what I am doing and why I take the decisions according to the analysis which I do here. So for me, I will be very bullish again if we are breaking the level of 52, 53,000. If we're breaking this level, this is when I get really bullish again, because we break a major support and resistance. You see, resistance, support, resistance, major support resistance level. This is when I'm getting very bullish again. So guys, I think, in my personal opinion, and I hope I am wrong, this is one of the biggest bull traps which we saw in the history of Bitcoin. So please be very careful. If you're not a professional trader, don't trade. Just watch what's happening with the market. And if you're trading, only with a small portfolio and only what you can afford to lose. If you don't follow these rules, not getting emotional, don't do your own research. If you all these rules not follow, you will get wrecked and you lose all your money. Be very careful. Only professional trader. If you're not professional trader, you can claim your bonus, or you can don't claim your bonus and just make on spot, buy on spot and just hold. And again, guys, for everyone who's professional trader, 8,200 da jobane vrot. What is happening again here? 8,200 in bonus, 1 minute registration. After initial deposit, you get this 8,200 in bonus. You can, for not professional trader, use for just buy to spot. For professional trader, you can use your bonus then. After initial deposit, you get your bonus and use this bonus for trading, for example. Yes, 1 minute registration, link down below. This also where I am trading or other guys which you know are trading. Yes. guys. So, and if you want a video collaboration between me and DaVinci JL15, so write it down below, smash the like button and turn the alarm bell on, because we prepared a video for you and what he thinking about it. We had a small discussion. If you want the video today in the evening, write it down below and I will upload it later in the evening. Guys, I kiss you and we see again in the evening. I kiss you. Mwah.